Okay guys, so I'm starting out on wet hair that has been washed with the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid shampoo. I love this because it has this little nozzle here, and so if you do opt to use a shampoo on your hair, you can direct this onto your scalp and only deliver the shampoo to your scalp. That's actually how you're supposed to shampoo your hair. You're not really supposed to be applying it to the strands of your hair. You're supposed to focus on the scalp because that's what you're cleansing. And then as you rinse the water, you get everything else that may have built up on the hair through the rinse part. Okay, so then I deep conditioned my hair using Curl Rehab by Curl Junkie. It's still a favorite. I love it. And then I did a rinse out conditioner using the Beauty Curls conditioning product. I talked with you guys when I did like the haul of all these products I purchased. I've used this in the past. Curl Junkie does conditioners beautifully. There is not one conditioner I've used in their product line that I haven't enjoyed. And so the Beauty Curls Argan and Olive Oil Daily Conditioner is absolutely fantastic. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Curls leave-in conditioner. It's formulated for fine hair. So this leave-in conditioner is not as heavy, so you don't have to worry about being heavy-handed with this product. I think it smells really, really good. But yeah, it feels really good on the hair, and it has great slip thus far, so I'm really happy with that. As usual, I'm just going to work the product through my hair, making sure that I've gotten all of the strands. So you may notice that I'm brushing from the root to the tip. Normally I would not do that, but because I've already deep conditioned my hair, I've already detangled my hair, I don't have a lot of tangles in my hair. If you tend to have hair that tangles a little bit more easily, you definitely want to start from the end and then work your way up the strands. So I just want to clarify that. And as I've mentioned before, one of my other problem areas is right around my temples, so I'm just going to add a little bit more leave-in to that area as well. And then I'm just going to go through once more to make sure that I've really worked the product down to the ends of my hair. That's the oldest part of my hair, and I want to make sure that it's going to benefit from all of the good ingredients in this leave-in product. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply my styler. Today I'm just going to use one styler, which is going to be the Pattern Pusher Gel. I have used this gel in the past and I absolutely love it. It is one of those gels that is more of a natural kind of bent in terms of its ingredients, and it works really, really beautifully. So this is, you know, it is a clear product. It's sort of similar to flaxseed gel in that if you've ever made your own flaxseed gel, you know it has a very slippery kind of, I want to almost say gummy feel to it. I didn't even know that that's the best way to describe it, but those are the only words that pop into my head at the moment. I definitely suggest starting with one pump and then working your way up. Yeah, this is one of those gels that just has the most amazing slip. Probably if I had to rank it on a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of slip, I would give it a 5. It has just that much slip, which is wonderful when you're working with curly hair, because curly hair, you know, can become tangled anyway. So if you have a product that you're working in that is going to define your curls and help to set your curls while simultaneously making sure that the hair is detangled, it doesn't get much better than that. This gel, if you have fine hair, this is a gel that you can apply from root to tip. A lot of times I'll say use your stylers more so on the ends of the hair, but that's not the case with this particular product. You can work it from root to tip and not have to worry about like a lot of scalpiness. Okay, so now I'm just going to let my hair air dry and I'll come back and show you the results. Okay guys, so my hair is completely dry and shrunken. So yeah, shrinkage is real, but that's a good thing because it lets you know your hair is healthy. So don't get upset when your hair shrinks. It's a good thing. You've got maximum hydration going. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. It is probably about 90% dry. The hair itself feels, it's not crunchy. It's pillowy soft. So I like to go in and I just like to begin stretching the curls. And I do this to further break up the clumpage. It's gonna give me, if there is a hard cast on the hair, it's gonna break that up. It's gonna separate the curls apart. And see how I'm already getting a bit of volume on this end? That's really what you want. So, as I pull the hair, I'm actually pulling it in an upward motion. Okay, so I have let these dry the rest of the way. The scalp is pretty dry now. So, all right, so when I take these out, see how this is standing up? That's exactly what I wanted, because I'm gonna pull the hair down. So if you let it dry in the opposite way, or if you're diffusing your hair, if you allow the air to flow in the opposite direction, then the direction the hair will actually lay, you're gonna create more volume naturally. So that's essentially what we did, but we used the pineapple method. All right, so now I'm just going to begin pulling that hair down. Look at this definition. Do you guys see this? Look at this, look at this. So pretty. Guys, I am feeling so good today. I woke up feeling so horrible. This autoimmune thing, y'all, it is not for the faint of heart, but through God, all things are possible. And I am feeling so much better today than I was earlier today. So to God be the glory. Yeah, and I love the way my hair looks. Like, I'm gonna wear this wash and go tomorrow because I just feel confident like that. All right, so let's talk about this product combination. So this is Beauty Curls Leave-In Hair Conditioner along with the Pattern Pusher Gel. Now, as I mentioned to you guys, this product was new to me, and this one I've used off and on for about 4 years. It is hands down one of my favorite 2 to 3 gels. It really is. So we already know that's a winner. Pattern Pusher Gel by Curl Junkie. The Beauty Curls Leave-In, I actually really do like. It left my hair feeling really good when I put it in. And it is not heavy. My hair feels like super light, but my curls are defined. My hair feels like pillowy soft, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah, it played well with the gel. I did use this one other time and I left it in for 3 days. That is my litmus test for all leave-in conditioners. If it continues to keep my hair feeling good, hydrated, and it continues to condition over a 3-day period of time, I know it's a good product. And this did that. This is probably going to be my leave-in conditioner for summer because I do like to wear lighter products in the summer, and I usually like to rock wash and goes more often. So having a product that isn't super heavy on my hair that's going to give me, this lift along with the gel and keep my hair hydrated, to me is like, it's a winner. Curl Junkie formulates really, really good conditioners. So I really did buy this knowing that it was going to work really well because, again, I've never come up against a conditioning product from Curl Junkie that was not absolutely awesome. So I am loving this. I'm so happy that I purchased these products and I was able to kind of share them with you on this channel and for this series. And I would love to know what you guys think about these results. Please do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I love it. Not only does my hair look good, but it feels good. Oh my gosh, this is everything. This is such a great pick-me-up right now. I absolutely am loving it. Have you tried Curl Junkie products? I'd love to know your thought on the product line, and I'd love to know what your favorite Curl Junkie product is. Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was my pleasure to record it for you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.